Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss with you all how by using an AI tool you can create your resume. I had mentioned you earlier about an AI tool that is Cake Resume. Okay, here. So for coming to this particular page, you have to just type in Cake Resume in your Google search engine, and the first option, now the first result which you get as a free Cake Resume builder, you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, this is a page which you are going to get. Okay, so I'm going to apply for one particular position. By For that I'm preparing one my resume. I'll prepare one. Okay, so I'll just click on this as create my resume, and you'll get this option as make your resume a piece of cake, wherein you can use in your Facebook ID or your Google ID or Apple or Twitter, or you can just put in your mail ID if any other you have. So since I have my Google email Gmail ID, I'll just click on that. I'll get this option as these two options I have. So I can select any one. So I'll just go with the this one. So it is asking for signing into a Cake Resume. So I'll just click on continue. Okay, it's loading. It will just take few seconds. Okay. So now we're getting this particular option as whether I'm a job seeker or a employer. Obviously, I'm just seeking for a job, and for that I want to prepare one resume. So I'll just click on this job seeker. And now, as you can just see here, they are asking you certain questions which you have to fill in. Starting with what is your current employment status. So keeping your thing in mind, I'm just clicking here that I'm studying. Okay, and where are you in search of job. So I'm open to any opportunity as I'm applying for the first time. See here, this also prepares an CV for applying for your full time, part time, or for internship also. So since you're applying for full time, I'll just click on this. Are you interested in working remotely? Maybe not. Okay, and there is something called as desired position. It's not compulsory to fill in. Okay, and how much experience you have? Obviously less than 1 year, right? So I'll continue with this. Then comes the question as let us set up your profile. Okay, they're asking you from LinkedIn ID whether you want to import or whether you want to input manually. So obviously I want to go it through manually. Maybe some of you might not have prepared I mean made your LinkedIn ID. So maybe you might not be that okay with this. So I'll just go with input manually. Okay, so when I input manually, these are the details which comes up. Okay, so that is autofill option it has come. So I'll just correct it here. What is my name here? Okay, and then comes one random phone number. Okay, then comes the email ID. Email ID is autofilled. And what is the what professions? They are asking you your profession. So I'll just type in whatever suits me best. So if I have to just write about IT or HR, I'll just mention here as in HR what I'm good at. So performance evaluation, I just mentioned there. Okay. Okay. What industry do you work in? Actually, this is for the one who wants to write. So they have mentioned about the headlines. If you want, you can just mention as about yourself. You can just mention. And here we have to input our country or city name. I'll just mention India. Okay, and about the headlines, it's about basically about you're saying about yourself. Here you can just mention about your objective also, career objective, as you can just see. See, it appears here, whatever I've entered. Now, the next thing which comes is about the work experience. I'll just add here. I don't have any work experience. So, I don't have any experience, so I just can cancel this. Okay. And here, I can add my school, okay, where I've studied. Okay, I'll just add my recent one. I'll just mention here. Okay, I'll just mention about which degree I have finished. Let's say Bachelor's of Business Administration. Okay, major. It's left to you. If you want to add, you can add. And when did you start? Let's say I started in 2021. I'll be ending in 2024. Here you can just mention if you want as your GPA marks or any other details if you want. So I'm okay with this. And here I'll just mention I don't have work experience, and I'll continue with this. Now they're asking you at what you're good at. You're expert. I'll just add word. Let's say I've cleared SAP, Excel, and I'll just mention about PowerPoint as well. I think that's enough. Okay, now the languages which I know. I'll just make a mention the language actually which I know and how I'm good at. Okay, so I'll just mention I'm not getting this option as of now. I'll just mention as English and how good I am. Let's say I'm fluent. Okay, let's say I'm just adding on that itself. I'll just put on continue. Now they're asking me all these mail ID if I have. If I have, I can just make mention. If you have your website, Instagram, and everything, you can just do it. So this is done. So my profile is ready here. My profile is ready. Now I have to create a resume here. Okay, I'll continue. And now I have different templates here with me. Whichever suits me the best or whichever I feel is good, I can just add. If you as I had mentioned, try to avoid photographs. These many photographs are not needed. If you just want to add your photograph, you can add go with that, or if you want to keep it simple, you can go with that as well. Okay, so let's say I don't want to go with any photographs. I just want to choose the template. I'll just edit whatever is there with the information which I have to